white small block Mopar, just got and running. Everything went great. Give you the description of the combination. I got the Edelbrock cylinder heads on it. It's got scorpion roller rockers. It's got a hydraulic roller cam by custom by Comp Cams. Janie Pistons. Eagle rotating assembly. Yeah, and you sent in some parts, your valve covers, got them on there, wires, your manifold, and your Holley Sniper, those distributor you sent in. Everything works good. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3100, it's 458 foot-pounds of torque. Look at peak torque 492. Peak horsepower 454. Rated at 470. I'm going to say it's that manifold probably on there, and hurts a little bit upstairs, but runs good down on the bottom. So get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.